Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep look at a serious machine for creators, engineers, and makers who want speed without sacrificing precision, the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D printer. This is a CoreXY, high-speed 3D printer built for reliability, automation, and professional-level performance, while still being friendly enough for advanced hobbyists. The Centauri Carbon uses a CoreXY motion system, allowing it to reach printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second while maintaining excellent dimensional accuracy. Compared to traditional Cartesian printers, CoreXY designs reduce moving mass, which directly improves speed, stability, and print quality, especially on complex or tall models. One of its standout features is fully automatic calibration. Bed leveling, Z-offset, and system checks are handled automatically, dramatically reducing setup time and user error. This printer is genuinely ready to print out of the box, making it ideal for users who want to focus on designing and printing rather than constant tuning. The high-temperature 320 degrees Celsius nozzle opens the door to a wide range of materials. In addition to PLA and PETG, you can confidently print ABS, nylon, carbon fiber, reinforced filaments, and other engineering-grade materials. This makes the Centauri Carbon suitable for functional parts, prototypes, and mechanical components, not just decorative prints. With a 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume, there's plenty of space for large models or batch printing. The rigid frame ensures stability at high speeds, while the enclosed design helps maintain consistent temperatures for demanding filaments. A built-in camera adds another professional touch, allowing you to monitor prints remotely, check progress, and review time-lapse recordings. This is extremely useful for long prints and workflow optimization. Overall, the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon is built for users who want industrial-style features, speed, automation, and material flexibility, in a desktop form factor. If you're upgrading from a basic printer or starting strong with a future-proof machine, this one deserves serious consideration. Check the link below to buy it, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews and daily product recommendations.